Introducing the next big thing in flight. The all-new Cessna Sky-courier utility turboprop. Designed from the ground up with a flexible payload that's as big as your dreams. With low costs and exceptional lift capacity, it's built for cargo, passengers, and everything in between. The Cessna Sky-courier turboprop is the hard-working, revenue-generating tool your business needs. Fly your business to new heights. The new Cessna Sky-courier utility turboprop.
It's not very often we get to roll out a new airplane, so it's a big day. This beautiful airplane is part of our future. This is jobs for us, jobs for our future. It will build on our current legacy. I got to go to Alaska this past summer and visit all the cargo movers up in Alaska. They're very excited about this airplane, because everything in Alaska lands on the water, on ice, or on gravel. And they want a rugged airplane. So that's an example of a market we're going to penetrate and win with this.
Congratulations to this team, to all involved. What we do in aerospace is difficult. To build, to design, to certify an aircraft, it happens with only a lot of collaboration, a lot of skill, teamwork, and it happens over years. We started producing the first Sky-courier parts actually almost 3 years ago, and now here we stand after and enduring a pandemic with our first airplane going out the door, and the first of many for years to come. So this now sets a new standard for us, and it's a celebration that we're very proud of. I think as an employee, we like to say one of our values is to be legendary, and I don't think anything is more legendary than a new airplane going out the door and entering into service.
I'm very excited about the future of this airplane and what it means for the success of our company going forward. So on behalf of everybody in the company, for everybody involved, thank you. Well done.